Hi, I'm Marty and I live in Ohio Township. This is just raw space with just cinder block walls and concrete floor. We just wanted to have a big rec room TV place to catch the Pens games. I like the service I got, and I like the other finished cases that you have on your website. Some of the other projects that you've done look good, so it seemed like the way to go. Oh, for sure, the ceiling. I mean, like I said, everybody, the first thing they comment on is the ceiling. I have nothing but good things to say about the carpenters. They're here every day, on time, cleaned up, very polite, top notch. Thanks.
Call 724-935-6000 for your free design consultation.